Unity Catalog has effectively solved the challenge of data governance. But as enterprises move toward AI, a new critical challenge has emerged: the need for business context. This video explores how Unity Catalog and Kobai work together to build a governed business context layer for your enterprise. For organizations running AI workloads on Databricks, Unity Catalog is the foundation everything depends on. It provides unified access control, automatic lineage tracking, robust AI governance, and native compute, making it the primary reason enterprises trust Databricks as their system of record. However, there is a clear distinction in scope. Unity Catalog governs who can access data brilliantly, but it does not govern what that data actually means. It defines access to tables and files, but it doesn't define business concepts, rules, or relationships, which are essential for true business context. Consider a plant manager asking which suppliers are putting production at risk. Without shared business context, data engineers must write complex custom queries, and definitions like critical assembly may shift across tools. With shared context, that question is answered consistently across all your teams and applications. This is where Kobai comes in. Kobai acts as a business context layer that extends Unity Catalog. It runs directly inside your Databricks lakehouse, inherits existing governance policies, and empowers domain experts to define business entities and rules without relying on an engineering backlog. What changes with this approach? You move from fragmented, drifting business definitions to a single, governed source of truth. You enable faster, cross-domain insights, automatic governance, and significantly improved AI explainability as business reasoning becomes visible and traceable by design. Think of it as a partnership. Databricks provides the data intelligence platform to govern access and lineage, while Kobai provides the business context layer to govern meaning and business rules. Governance without shared meaning is only half the solution. Governed data, shared meaning, and trusted AI. This is the path forward. To explore how Databricks and Kobai can bridge the gap in your organization, visit kobai.io or reach out to us at contact@kobai.io. To bring contextual intelligence to your enterprise data or for any queries, please contact us at support@kobai.io. Thank you for watching.